How are vaccine myths debunked? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with pieces that don't fit. That's what happens when false claims about vaccines are mixed with facts. To clear up these myths, scientists compare these claims with solid evidence from research. They look at how vaccines work with the immune system to protect us from disease. Vaccines introduce safe parts of germs, like inactivated viruses or pieces of proteins, to immune cells. This trains the immune system to recognize and fight the real infection later, without causing illness. This fact alone proves myths that vaccines cause the diseases they prevent are wrong. Scientists also use large studies involving millions of children and adults. These studies show no link between vaccines and conditions like autism. The original claim about vaccines causing autism was based on a study that had serious errors and conflicts of interest. When researchers looked at data from many countries, they found no connection. This kind of evidence helps clear up false ideas and reassures people that vaccines are safe. Understanding what is in a vaccine and how it works helps explain misconceptions. For example, some think vaccines can change human DNA. But mRNA vaccines give temporary instructions to immune cells to produce a harmless viral protein. This process triggers immunity, but the genetic material never enters the cell's nucleus where DNA lives. It breaks down quickly after doing its job. So, vaccines cannot alter human DNA. Real-world evidence also proves vaccines are effective. When a vaccine is used widely, cases of the disease drop sharply. For example, measles cases plummeted after vaccination campaigns. This shows vaccines stimulate the immune system to build lasting protection without making people sick. Normal side effects like mild fever or swelling after vaccination are often misunderstood. These are signs that the immune system is working hard to produce antibodies. They are not signs of the disease itself. Explaining this helps people understand that side effects are temporary and part of the immune response. Herd immunity is another key idea. When enough people are vaccinated, the spread of disease slows or stops. This protects those who cannot be vaccinated, like babies or people with certain health conditions. Relying on myths and avoiding vaccines weakens this community protection and can lead to outbreaks. Some false claims say vaccines shed or releases harmful components that could infect others. In reality, only vaccines with live weakened viruses could shed, and most modern vaccines, including COVID-19 vaccines, do not contain live viruses. They are designed to be safe and effective without risking infection. Debunking myths involves honest, clear communication. Experts share how vaccines work with the immune system, backed by decades of research and success stories. This builds trust and encourages people to get vaccinated. Vaccination is the best way to protect yourself and your community from preventable diseases.